Hello, my name is Aaliyah Lowry, and this is my reflection video for chapter 7 and 8. So, chapter 7 was focusing on aging and older adults in America and them receiving their Social Security benefits, so Social Security as an entitlement. And chapter 8 was focusing on mental health and substance abuse. So to answer the questions that were posted in this discussion board, I wrote my answer down, so I'm just going to read that off of my notes. The Volstead Act, which was also known as the National Prohibition Act, was created to enforce the 18th Amendment and prohibit the selling, production, and transportation of alcohol. Although the goal was to reduce alcohol abuse and its negative effects on society, the policy still faced major challenges from the start. Many people did not agree with the law. There was widespread defiance of the law. People were still illegally producing the alcohol, which led to a rise in organized crime. So instead of eliminating alcohol use, the prohibition just forced it to become like an underground thing. So the difficulties that were seen during the prohibition still influences how our society approaches drug and alcohol policies today. Like the Volstead Act, modern drug laws still rely heavily on criminalization, which can a lot of times cause more harm than good. Like for example, the war on drugs. One major repercussion of that was large-scale mass incarceration, racial disparities were reflected in that policy implementation, and it really did not stop substance abuse. Substance abuse is still very much an issue today. So over time, policymakers have started to realize that prevention, education, and treatment are more effective approaches than punishment alone with itself. This changes how lessons from the prohibition continue to shape policies and attitudes and opinions today.